database class methods, right? So the number one method is empty recycle bin. So this method we can use to clear the records which are there inside the recycle bin. Okay, let's have a look. So I want to like clear the records of contact object which are there inside the recycle bin. Let's go to the recycle bin first. There are a lot of account records, right? Let's change this query. Right? So if I'm going to execute this method, the records which are there inside the recycle bin will get deleted of that particular object only, by the way. Shall I execute it? Yes or no? Okay. Execute. Let's have a look. Refresh. Gone. That's how it works. So write down database.empty recycle bin method. You cannot clear the whole recycle bin. You'll have to select for every object. Clear everyone?